Sport and safety horn can scare off an attacker by drawing attention up to you up to a half mile away. You can use it on boats, notify other boaters you're in the area with low visibility. You can use it at sporting events. You can use it when you're hiking to actually notify your friends of your location and things of that nature. 1.5 ounce, basically aerosol under pressure. It's unique because it has a locking top, right? So right now it's in the lock position. If you go to press down on that button, it won't sound. It would startle you if you actually had that sound when you weren't expecting it. You just turn it 90 degrees forward, and then as I press down on it, it's gonna go into there. I'm gonna give it a little pressure and it's gonna sound, right? This is the improper way. Let's do that first to deploy an air horn. That's when you're not supposed to hold down continuously on the firing mechanism like this. So you can see the gas coming out of it and the can's starting to freeze up. So the can completely freezes up. And this is the proper way to do it, because you don't need to do that continuously. As you're hiking, every quarter mile or so, just a quick little burst is all you need. And you do that for a very long time, about 60 times. Which was, you know, obviously if there's other people in the area, they're gonna be either really annoyed or they're gonna come to your attention. So that's what it's designed to do. And this prolongs the use of the product by those short bursts. That's how you use the product. When you're done, you turn it, you lock it so it doesn't deploy. And that is a patented feature